If you are going to attempt your CLAT 2027 paper this December, the most important question that is in your mind is how to deal with your critical reasoning part and your analytical reasoning part, which is under your logical reasoning. Hello everybody, my name is Advocate Harsh Chotrani. I am your logical reasoning mentor, and in today's video I will take you to the complete guidance, the complete roadmap of how to complete your logical reasoning part, which has two sections, that is your critical and analytical. What topics, what subject, how to go through with all the phases, how to solve these questions, what are the sources from which you can get your concept clear. Each and everything will be explained in this video. See, when I talk about your critical reasoning section, there are two sections, your analytical part and your critical part. See, critical part and analytical part will come in your passage based questions. What is the main differences in your analytical part? You have to solve some things, you have to solve your questions by using your mind, by using your capacity, by making diagrams, somewhere eliminating the clues. All these things are there. If I take you to a quick syllabus, what should you cover in your analytical part and your critical part? See, the core is your premises identification, your conclusion, your primary purpose, what the author is stating. Next we come to your argument side, where you strengthen your argument, you weaken your argument. Further, the hidden link, that is your assumption. What does the author thinks? What connects the premises to the conclusion? What you have to add in the premises that the author has not stated? Moving ahead with your deviation part, where you see inference, where you see bold faces structure, you analyze the tone. Further, you have relationship like the point of argument, disagreement, your counter agreement. You also have to see the flaw, what flaw is there in the argument. And lastly, your evaluating part, where you see if the argument is complete, the information is meaningful. All these things come under your critical reasoning head. If I talk about analytical, see, there are so many debates on what should a CLAT student prepare him or her for their CLAT paper, but the most important part is the traditional topics. See, syllogism, blood relation, direction, sitting arrangement and puzzle, coding, decoding, your alphanumeric part, your clock and calendar, which has been the famous topic in other law entrance also. And if I talk about syllogism, blood relation and direction test, see, CLAT is a passage based paper and you will get passages, and these four parts, your syllogism, blood relation, direction and sitting arrangement, these four parts are made like this, that any particular passage can hold so many information, clues for your sitting arrangement, for your direction, someone went north, south, east, and so a possibility that yes, in that paper you will see these topic. And also in coding, decoding and alphanumeric, we have seen in the last year paper also there was this coding and decoding section where you have to switch things from the middle and you have to reverse them. So all these things are what you should clear in your exam. There will be 22 to 26, 450 words. These things we know. And the most important part is your accuracy target. You need to get 90+% of accuracy, because this analytical part will somewhere increase your rank from thousands above. Reason behind this analytical part will need you to practice each and every day. The 5-month process, the next 150 days, if you take 2 hours of your time in a day, this analytical part will be your best friend, and your rank from somewhere 1000 will come in somewhere in top 100. And these are my words, and mark my words. Moving ahead, if I talk about, sir, what should be the strategy for our critical reasoning? See, the first important thing is your activate annotation, that is highlight the transition word. See, however, but, therefore. I have in my videos told some indicators of premises, also some indicators of your conclusion also. So all these things are important. The why test, ask the question that why did the author came to this conclusion, what was in his mind. And always remember, you don't have to keep your personal opinions, you have to look in the way of how your author thinks. And last is your elimination option. See, the most important part, if you know how to eliminate the option, your answer becomes easy, your process becomes easy, because there are certain words which are way too extreme and your answer is not that particular option which has these extreme words. The most important thing, sir, strategy for our logical reasoning analytical part. See, Venn diagrams, you need to make these Venn diagrams, you need to understand the rule, how all, no, only a few, only, all these things relation have been formed, how some and some not works. In your blood relation, you have to go generation by generation. You start from yourself, your parents, to your parents, and sometimes you have to go in the minus generation also, where it's your kids and your kids have been talked about. See, all these things, these layers, these diagrams you have to make. If I talk about your direction, until and unless you don't know your north, south, east and west, these things will not, your rotations, all these things comes with making diagram. And for the next 20-25 days, if you are just making these diagram, if you are just understanding these rules, your work will be easy. Moving ahead, if I talk about this, so there is a playlist that you can find on CLAT entrance by Adam 247. You will find a full playlist of CLAT 2020-27 for logical reasoning, that is your critical analytical part, and each and every topic, specific topic, a specific video is there for you. You can go and watch your blood relation, your direction, your syllogism, your sitting arrangement, each and everything has been completed with concept and question, so you don't have to go and watch any other source. One more thing that I will talk about in this is you plug and play, that is, you use your option, you eliminate these options to come to a possible arrangement. See, there are four options. In that four option, you will certainly find one option directly in the face that is not making that perfect arrangement. I know circular motion, circular arrangement is difficult, but in your inward and outward, there is only one thing. Keep in your mind that if you are comfortable with inward, that you change your right hand to your left and your left to your right, all the questions can be done of inward part and outward part, because they are just opposite. Your vocabulary is important, your immediate, two second to the left, third to the left, you need to understand these things, and all these things have been given to you in this particular playlist. If I move ahead, sir, four step to attempt any of these questions. See, first you scan these things for the first 10 seconds, see that passage, be in that passage completely, look what that particular passage is asking you. If you are doing a critical reasoning part, locate the main conclusion, everything else is secondary. Why I tell you to locate the conclusion? Because words will indicate that yes, the author wants to conclude this. Then you can go to your claims, evidences, that will form your premises. But and once you understand this thing, once you know that author is claiming this based on these particular premises, automatically in your mind it will come what that particular author thought, and that is the most important part. Third thing which I tell my student is predict your answer before even looking these options. The reason behind your instincts are correct, but somewhere you have to believe in you and you have to know. Once you see these four options before attempting your answer, your mind has this perspective that somewhere in these four questions, these four options, I have to get my answer. And once you don't get that answer, it might come in your mind कि नहीं मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूं, and that is not. Always believe in your instincts, because you have been doing these things, and that option somehow change your mind. Verify your option. Lastly, yes, after you have in your mind completely, yes, this particular assumption is what that author had thought, you can verify answer and you will get your answer, the perfect answer. See, assumptions, you have the negation thing, you can use the negation test. All these things are important. If I move ahead for the roadmap of the full marks, see, first the most important thing is your concept clarity. Until and unless you don't know what premises is, what conclusion is, what how you get your assumption, how you verify your assumption, you don't know these 8 logical flaws, you don't know there are two contradictory situations, both are true, and you have to find that paradox. When you don't know what is inference, what is the difference between assumption and inference, you will not be able to point out that particular option that is correct. So your concepts are important. I've already showed you the playlist. In that playlist you will see your concept and question, each and everything. Moving ahead to the phase 2, that is your daily drills. 2 hours on your logical reasoning daily. You have to read the passages, you have to watch the videos again, you have to do the question. Mocks comes here. Until and unless your pen doesn't work on the paper for your analytical part, it will be very difficult. Mark my words, this analytical part will take your rank to somewhere in top 100, and this analytical rank will bow down your rank to somewhere in 20,000, 30,000, because this is something that you can't miss out, and this is something that if you don't know a particular answer, you will not get that answer. Moving ahead to the phase 3, which is the most important thing, and the most important point is you do your mocks. See, I will tell you one thing completely. When we go and sit in a paper, we write that paper. For example, we got 20 marks, 30 marks out of 100. We still wish कि क्या यार एक बार पेपर और दे सकते थे. ये जो आप लोगों के मॉक्स हैं, ये आप लोगों के वो पेपर हैं जो आप लोगों को एक टाइम देता है कि हाँ, अगली बार मैं उस चीज को और अच्छे से करूं, क्योंकि ये मार्क्स मुझे एनएलएसआईयू बैंगलोर नहीं ले जाएंगे, ये मार्क्स मुझे नलसाड़ नहीं लेके जाएंगे, या वेस्ट बंगाल या टियर 1 एनएलयूज नहीं दिलाएं. इसलिए अपने मॉक्स करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि ये मॉक्स ही होते हैं जो आप लोगों को ये रियलाइज कराते हैं कि आप अभी स्टैंड कहां कर रहे हैं. और एक बात ध्यान रखना, जितना हो सके उतने पेपर आप पहले ही दे दो, क्योंकि जिस दिन वो पेपर देने की बारी आएगी उसके बाद कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचेगा. योर मॉक्स हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू आर लैकिंग. once you do your mocks, once you have your particular marks, you can know कि this particular section I am totally comfortable, I am confident in this section, but this particular topic is haunting me. Go back again to the concept, go back again to the base, and mark my words, if you do 30 to 40 mocks before your CLAT paper, in when you will sit on that 6 or 7 December, whenever the paper is, you will find it that paper so easy that yes, I have done these 50 mocks, and now when I'm looking at the paper, that paper is what I have somewhere watched in that 50 mocks. And phase 4 is your speed timing. See, the time is limited. If you are starting now, I am taking my live on YouTube and students are telling me, sir, this analytical part is taking our time, sir, this inference question, this paradox situation are consuming our time. See, all these things, this phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 will get you all your concept clear, will get you somewhere that in your phase 4, when you will sit in a day and attempt 2 paper, one in morning and one in evening, you will find that in that particular 2 hours you are able to complete your paper. And how these three phases will help you achieve your goal in 120 minutes. And that 120 minutes is important, because until and unless you don't go for each and every question, you won't get that marks, you won't get that dream university that you have been thinking from over the past few months. If I move ahead, I will talk about the sources. See, I have covered the analytical part, I have covered the concept and questions. You can also watch the summer camp series. I have videos in this. I have started with critical reasoning concept. In the second video, I have come into first 2 videos, I have completed both the concept. In the third video, I have put questions. Fourth video, analytical part, concept plus question. Fifth video, analytical part, other concept and question. Each and everything on your syllabus has been completed in this particular series also. And the most important part is your mocks, and ADA 247 has the mocks at their website. You can use my code HARSH to get maximum discount and your one-on-one mentorship. As soon as you buy these mocks, as soon as you complete these mocks, you can tell me your marks. We can analyze this, we can analyze your problem, and we can come to a solution. Where are you lacking? And all these things are important also. If I move ahead and tell you, see, 25 plus score target in your logical reasoning, master every subtopic, analyze every topic. The reason behind me telling you this is, until and unless these things you're mastering, the concept is not clear, the rules are not clear, until and unless you do your mocks but you don't sit for 1 more hour to analyze these mocks, you will not know. And one thing that each and everyone will tell you, always trust your passage, always see that these things are written, these things are 100% true, because your mind knows things but you don't have to go there. Remember these things, your passage is your triumph, and you have to believe in that. Whatever you think is a secondary thing. You don't have to think only about this beyond this passage. So always remember thing. One more thing, if you need to ask anything from me, you can officially mail me and ask me how should you prepare for your CLAT, or how should you prepare for your logical reasoning. See, here an alumni can talk to a future alumni. There is nothing that is yeah, you need to think that will sir reply or not. No, you have my mail ID, you can mail me. Also, there is a Google form link in the description box. You can fill that Google form link and we can get connected. I can guide you. For all those who wish to enroll in our batches, we also have batches. You can go to ADA 247. Once you go in, you will find all courses. Under this all courses, you will have UG and PG entrance, your law 5 year and 3 years LLB. You will see CLAT here. Once you will click on this CLAT, you will find each and everything. You will find law MHAPAC, where for the next validity of your month, each and every courses we come with, for the 5 years LLB students, you will get all these things in this, whether it is a crash course, a new course, all these things are available in this. If you are if you just want a batch for your CLAT 2027, we have been covering the Rankers 2.0 batch. It has already started on 17th of June. 5-6 classes have been done. You can click on buy now, and you can use my coupon code also, HARSH. Once you enter this, you will get this in the maximum discount, that is your 7259. And if you purchase this through my code, your and my mentorship starts on the very first day. Till until and unless you don't step into your college, I am not going to I am not going to be calm that yes, if a student has trusted in me, I will take him or her to her or him his dream college. So all these things are there. And if you also need to go through with the mocks also, which I told you in your slides, so you can see the mocks also. We have mocks here, and you can purchase these mocks. They will get updated and you can go and buy these mocks. 30 mocks are available. I will show you the mocks. These are the mocks. These 30 mocks are available for you. If you click on buy now and you enter the code HARSH, you can get these 13 mocks in 1451, and it is a good price. You also have my one-on-one mentorship. We will analyze your mistakes together. Don't worry. All these things are already available for you, and your CLAT will be covered. You will get the best marks, the best thing that is for you, and will get the tier 1 university. That is your target, that is my target. And also don't forget that you can watch these series for your logical analytical part, this summer camp series. Plus you also have a whole series where I have completed each and everything. This CLAT 2027 series, you will find previous year questions inbuilt there. You will find concept and your questions, how to attempt these question. And if you still face any difficulty, you can comment on this video, you can fill the Google form, you can mail me, and I will clear your doubts. And thank you so much, guys. This was me, Advocate Harsh Chotrani, your logical reasoning mentor. And if you need to ask something, you can comment below or mail it to me.